Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm a Year 12 student at West Island School and I recently designed the school mural. I really enjoyed drawing and designing the entire school mural because I thought it was really fun and I really like art. For my design, I included all the different subjects in West Island. There's science, art, music, sports. I also included the school library with flying books to make learning and reading more fun. Throughout the entire design, there's like a really big wave or rainbow, which is supposed to be in the colors of our dynasty, and the design of the students show a diverse community.
You may have noticed our new mural at the front of the school. This was very kindly funded by the PTA, so a huge thank you to the whole parent community who contributed towards this. We ran a competition for students to design it, and Jennifer Can in Year 12 was successful. Her design incorporates what West Island is all about: strength and diversity, sport, music lessons, and of course the container ships that sail past the school every day. Well done to Jennifer for doing such a great job.